Hello viewers, tutorial 3 question 7. So we have a right triangle which has sides of x and x plus 1. If the hypotenuse is 29 centimetres, what is the length of the shorter side? So it's a good idea to begin by drawing a little diagram of the situation. So we have a right triangle, so that's a 90-degree angle there. The hypotenuse is the longest side is 29 centimetres. So the shorter side, which will be x, which is what we want to find, and we're told that the other side is x plus 1. So is 1, the units of this question are in centimetres, so this side is 1 centimetre longer than this side. So this is x and 1 more centimetre long. So we need to create an equation. We can use Pythagoras' theorem. So what does Pythag tell us? So from Pythag, we've got x squared plus x plus 1 squared equals 29 squared. Okay, so we'll need to expand out the x plus 1 squared. So we've got x squared plus x plus 1 times x plus 1. And then we've got equals 29 squared, which is 841. So therefore x squared plus x times x, so we've got x times 1, which is x, and we've also got 1 times x, which is x in the middle, so that's plus 2x, and then we've got a plus 1 minus 841 equals 0. So therefore we've got 2x squared, we've got a 2x, and 1 minus 841 is minus 814 equals 0. And if we can actually divide this through by 2, so we get x squared plus x minus 420 equals 0. So that is a quadratic equation we need to solve. So in this case, a is 1, b is 1, and c equals minus 420. We'll do this by the quadratic formula because it is not obvious that this factorises. So if we use the quadratic formula, which is negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a, we get x equals negative b, which is negative 1, plus minus square root of b squared, which is 1 squared, minus 4 times 1 times negative 420 divided by, that will give us 2 on the denominator. Okay, so if we calculate that, what do we find are our answers? We should find that we get x equals 20 as one answer, or negative 21 as the other answer. But we're talking about the length of the sides of a triangle, so it can't be negative. X equals 20. So our shorter side is 20 centimetres. So let's check that. So 20 squared is 400. And if x is 20, then x plus 1, the other side should be 21. 21 squared is 441. So 400 plus 441 is 841. Taking the square root of that does give you 29. Okay, good. Thanks for watching. Over and out.